Can ChatGPT and Gemini help you to improve your communication skills? Can ChatGPT and Gemini turn your life to improve your English communication skills? Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. And today's video I'm really excited because what I'm going to share with you is something very special. So watch this video till the end and learn something from new from by this video. So in this video I will tell you everything step by step. So keep watching this video till the end. So let's talk about today's topic. My topic is today, can ChatGPT and Gemini help you to improve your English communication skills? Yeah, of course, it can help you. It will be help you if you use this application, this two application wisely. How will we improve? How it will be improve your English communication skill? So my friends, today I will tell you, because when I started to learn this language, I had no friend also. And I was, I come from Urdu medium, and I have no any English partner, I have no any English environment, but I still speaking in English language. Right now I am speaking in English language. How it is possible? It is possible, of course it's possible. And how it is possible? I you know because I have no friends, so I used ChatGPT, Gemini, to improve my English communication skills. And I really improved a lot my English speaking skills using ChatGPT. So you are also my friend, you can also use ChatGPT and Gemini, you to improve your English communication skills, right? So first of all, how will you use that? Please, if you don't have Gemini or ChatGPT, please then upload it on your smartphone and use it. Sometimes ChatGPT and Gemini, these two application will help you in many ways, right? If you want to make sentences, if you don't know how to make sentences, then you will search on ChatGPT and Gemini. They will give you sentences a lot, and you will learn from this two application everything you have, making how to make sentences you can learn from ChatGPT and Gemini. So if you want to learn how to make sentences, then you can use ChatGPT. And if you want to if you want to know different words and significant word, very very tough word, if you want to know, you can search on you can find it out on in ChatGPT and Gemini. So ChatGPT and Gemini, it will help you from different line, from different ways. So use it, and ChatGPT, use it to improve your English communication skills. And most important thing, you can talk with ChatGPT, with Gemini. This is most important thing. And you can improve your English communication skills. If you don't have English partner, and you are thinking that how will I who if you are thinking, I don't you are thinking, if I get any friend, I will talk with him in English language. But if but what will happen if you don't have friend? What will happen if you don't have friend? So if you don't have friend, if you don't have English partner, then you can use ChatGPT to speak in English language. So I I'm telling you, and I'm telling you, in my experience I improved a lot. And I sometime, whenever I get freedom, I always, now I have no English partner, so I am using ChatGPT whenever I get free time. And I am improving my English communication skills. This is your case also. You can use it, you can use it, you can also use it. And you can also improve your English communication skills. So my dear friends, let me tell you something honestly. ChatGPT has a lot of benefit. If you want to get benefit from this, then use it and improve your English communication skills. And if you are making mistakes, if you are making mistake, ChatGPT will help you to correct your mistake. If you ask them, if you ask it, when I if then you can ask ChatGPT, if I make mistake, then correct me, make me correct. Then ChatGPT will make you correct your sentences. Will ChatGPT make correct your sentences? So try to use it. If you don't don't think I have no friend, how can I speak in English language? Because for improving any language, we have to speak a lot, we have to speak, we have to do practice a lot. And for practicing, I have no friend, I can't improve our English. No, it is not problem, it is not big deal. Because after coming social media, everything became easy, and everything we can learn easily. So try to ChatGPT and try ChatGPT, try Gemini to improve your English communication skills, and you will see your result. And if you use every single day with consistently, you will see your result, and you will get your fluency, and you can also speak without any friend, without friend, confidently. So try to ChatGPT and improve your English communication skills, and be funny, and be enjoy. Okay, at the last of this video I will tell you, try to learn this language. It is very important language for you, because if you are a student, for a student or Karman, for every person this language become very important. So try to use it and learn this language. It will open for you lot of doors in your life. So try to use it. Okay, bye bye.